Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix hard drive problem on Windows 11. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open File Explorer Windows 11. Under the Device and Drivers section, right click the hard drive to check and repair and select the Properties option. Click the Tools tab. Under the Error Checking section, click the Check button. Click the Scan Drive option. Once you complete the step, if the utility does not find any errors, click the Close button. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.